Hi, we're on week 4 of THEA's teachings under the topic in August of navigating the fear. Today is the 30th of August, and our topic is how to bridge the known to the unknown. And here's what's interesting for me. The videos for August were recorded earlier, and then I was in a car accident. So I'm literally bridging from the known to the unknown and having to learn how to work differently and take slow time in producing our videos now because a little bit of a brain injury happened. So it looks like I'm having the experience that I'm about to tell you about. Bridging the known to the unknown. The scariest part about that for most people is the unknown. If you're attached to ideas in your head, the way you want things go, the way you want to see things go, and the attachment to the results, you're going to have a harder time bridging from what's known to you to the unknown. Here's what I'm learning. If we use the intention, which THEA has been supporting us to do all along in their teachings, we use intention to navigate from the known to the unknown. When we use intention, this is a really popular thing to do by the intenders of the highest good, is to intend whatever it is you're intending for the highest good for everybody, everywhere. So we'll use me as an example. After the car accident, I had to spend about a week in extreme quiet and dark spaces. And now it's time to produce more videos for our lessons with THEA. I didn't know how I was going to do that. I didn't know if I could do that. Looking into lights is not something that's easy for me. So we're reorganizing the way that we're filming technologically, and then I am moving forward from the moment of not knowing if it's going to work, live in action right now. So my intention is to serve the highest good for everybody everywhere, myself included, and to be able to deliver the teachings that THEA has given me so that I can still bring the good work to you. When we have an intention, it helps set up our energy to focus it and direct it for the highest good. So that is a way to focus our energy and our minds and our emotions toward a common good for the collective. When you notice you formulate an intention and you don't know where it's going to take you, what you can do is build your trust muscles and your faith muscles, because if it is for the highest good for everybody, everywhere, yourself included, you get to trust that that is going to be the result of whatever you're doing based on your intention. Now, sometimes it's a high stake. Maybe you're talking about a relationship that isn't working, or maybe you're going in for surgery for something and you don't know how it's going to go. You can't know how it's going to go. We don't get that kind of foresight in our lives as human beings. So there again, intention, bridging from what you know. Let's say you're in a relationship that isn't working and you don't know if you should stay or go. Or you're about to go into surgery and you're hoping and praying it goes well, but you don't know. You're bridging from the known into the unknown. There's a couple of people working with me right now who are looking at major life shifts, change in career, change in relationship status. And when we work together and we talk about what their idea is in their mind, what their attachments are, and what results they're hanging on to, you can see that there's contraction and there's not space to allow the intention to breathe them and breathe their lives and let things unfold in accordance with the highest good for everybody, everywhere, themselves included. So I want to invite you to play with curiosity and spaciousness. And when you find yourself feeling fearful that you're moving into the unknown and you don't know what it means and you don't know what it looks like, to get very still and check inside and ask, how can I support myself to move from the known to the unknown with the clearest intention possible, and then summon tremendous trust and faith to trust that the results are going to come in that accordance to the highest good, because you know what? The universe is for us. It's never not for us. So I'd love for you to play with that right alongside me as I'm playing with filming THEA now, and let's see how that goes. In the meanwhile, please tune in on Thursday evenings at 7 Mountain Time on Facebook so that we can do short question and answer session together based on each Sunday's teachings. And I appreciate you being with me and hanging in there with me as I bridge from the known to the unknown as my work goes forward with you. Blessings and thanks for your presence.